Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will show you a simple trick to make your photo look more dramatic. It's super easy and it takes less than 2 minutes to do it. And I'm also giving you these various shapes of windows that I made that we're going to use today. So if you want to download it, just click on the link in the description and you will be directed to Gumroad. Then click this Windows soft like shapes. So this is the preview, and then type the price, just type 0, but any donations are appreciated. Then click add to cart and check out, then you can download it. After that, inside you will see Affinity photo assets file and PNG file as well. Just extract it and let me show you how to use it. So without any further ado, let's open up Affinity Photo and get started. So first, let's import the assets. Go to View, Studio, Assets. Then click this little button here, Import Assets, and choose the file. Just click on it and click Open to import it. Or if you don't want to import it, or if you are not using Affinity Photo, you can always use the PNG file. Just drag it inside. As you can see, the background is transparent, so you can use it. And I'm going to use this photo that I download from Unsplash. I'll put the link in the description if you want to use it as well. So just choose the windows that you want to use. Let's try this one. And then go to layer, new light filter layer, blur, Gaussian blur, and set the radius to around 5 to 10. I'm going to set it to 8. Okay. I'm using light filter, so later I can change the value if I want, like this. Then click on the layer and change the blend mode to soft light, just like this. You can always reduce the opacity if it's too bright, or if it's still too dark, you can always duplicate the layer to make it brighter. Okay, let's try this one. Add Gaussian blue and then change the blend mode, just like this. And let me show you another trick. You can make this photo darker. I'm going to apply curves adjustments so it looks like she is inside the room. Okay, and as you can see, it looks more cool right now. Okay, so let me show you another one. For this photo, let's apply curves as well, and let's try this windows. If it's too small, you can always make it bigger, like this. So apply Gaussian blur or anything and set the value. Okay, for this photo I don't have to change the blend mode. As you can see, it's already looks cool this way. Okay, and you can also change the perspective of the windows to match the photo. Let me show you how. Just go to layer, new light filter layer, distort and perspective. Okay, for this photo I don't have to change it, but if you need to change it, just use this filter to change the direction, like this. Okay, so that's how to use this file, and it's totally free to download. And I'm also in progress of making a new one, so maybe I will give it to you next week. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.